Hi, I'm Dr. Kim Patton from Ganaraska Chiropractic. Today I wanted to show you a great stretch for anyone who's having tight or sore muscles in and around their hip and buttock area. And I mentioned in a previous video how doing the stretch is not really that challenging, but remembering to do it or feeling motivated to do it is. This stretch is done sitting and it's super easy and really kind of discreet. So it's one that you could do while you're at work. So if you have a desk job, you can do it at your desk. If you're on a lunch break, you can do it while you're sitting having your lunch. At home, you can do it while you're watching TV or playing on the computer. One word of caution, it is harder the lower the chair. So I'm quite tall and I find that most chairs make this stretch a little too hard for me. And I will do the stretch sitting on the side of a bed. So just if you're sitting on a low couch, you're going to find it a little too difficult, I think. So with this stretch, you're going to cross, in this case, we're going to do the right leg first. You're going to cross your right ankle over your left knee. If it hurts your knee or your hip, I don't want you to do it. So from this position, you're going to bend diagonally towards your right foot. Everybody's a little bit different about how flexible they are. So I am not very flexible and I really feel this pulling in through my hip. There are some patients who can literally touch their foot with their nose. So just go to the point where you feel a good stretch. So you're going to sit tall, feel like you've got even weight on both butt cheeks. And then from there, you're going to bend diagonally towards your toe. So it's just like you want to check out your big toe. That's the direction you're going. Once you're in that position, you're going to take a few good deep breaths in, and as you're breathing out, just work at relaxing and letting the muscles in through the hip and the buttocks stretch. You may also feel it a little bit on the back or underneath part of your thigh, but you're targeting your glutes or the buttock area and your hip. So you're going to hold the stretch for about 30 seconds. Once you've done that leg, you're going to switch and do the other side. So again, you're going to cross, in this case, your left ankle over your right knee, sit tall, feel like you're balanced on both seat bones, and then you're going to bend diagonally towards your left foot, breathing and relaxing through the stretch, and that's it for that stretch. One also little note is that if you are feeling tight muscles or pain in those areas, because the sciatic nerve goes down underneath those muscles in your buttocks, it can progress to aggravating the sciatic nerve and you may end up with radiating pain down your leg. So this is an important little warning sign if you feel that tightness, to deal with it before it becomes sciatica. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call and contact us or Facebook message us. And also, often those tight muscles do stem from issues along the spine and the sacroiliac joints in your pelvic area. And I find that people respond very well by being adjusted. I also use therapeutic ultrasound or interferential current on the tight muscles. So again, if you have any questions, please Facebook message us or give us a call. And thanks again for watching.